Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. I'm so excited to announce that I have a brand new lovely camera, and yes, I am recording on it right now actually. It is the Canon M50 and I am going to be doing an unboxing of it today for you guys. And with it, I went ahead and got a brand new little lens to go on it as well, which is exactly what I'm using to film right now. It is the 22mm. So I'm doing an unboxing of both of these for you guys today. Without further ado, guys, I'm gonna jump on into the actual unboxing of this and showing you guys because I know that's what you're all excited and here for. So let's jump on in. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Here is the Canon EOS M50, and this is also the Canon 22mm. This is the mirrorless lens. So this one actually goes with the M series of the Canon cameras. This will not fit on their regular DSLR lenses. So I of course had to pick one of those up, but we're gonna jump on into the actual camera first. And opening up the box right away on the very top, the first couple of things you'll see are just some paperwork along with the entire manual. And of course, I'm just going to put these aside because I like to think I'm relatively familiar with the camera. So if you are new to it, you definitely want to take some time to maybe read through that and have some of your questions answered. But next up, I noticed the little camera strap, and this one's all cute. It's so much tinier than like a DSLR one. So I thought this was adorable, but it's just the signature Canon camera strap. I think that will be really handy. Next, I'm pulling out the kit lens that comes with it, and I'm obsessed with how cute and tiny these are compared to the regular size lenses. And this one is of course just a signature lens, nothing crazy going on here, but it's still definitely a very good lens indeed. And this is a 15 to 45mm lens, so it does have a nice little bit of range on it, which I really like. And I'm just going to show you guys kind of what it looks like here. Moving on into the box again though, I'm going to pull out the camera body, and behind it I see the actual battery charger. This is pretty standard looking. It definitely does have a different battery than a regular DSLR camera or the Canon G7X Mark II. So it does have a little flip out switch, and here's the actual battery that goes into it. Nothing crazy going on here, guys. It does only come with one battery, and the battery was not incredibly charged, but charged long enough that I could film a couple of test shots and also the intro and outro to this video. So that's pretty good. Moving on to the main part, which is of course the best part, which is the actual body of the camera. Now, this camera did come with the kit lens, so they are separate, of course, and I do believe you can buy the body separate if you already have lenses. But here's what it looks like straight out of the bag. I'm obsessed with how it looks. It's definitely more compact than a DSLR camera, but definitely bigger than a Canon G7X or just a simple point-and-shoot camera. One side does have an external mic little slot that you can plug in, and of course I used that. You have an HDMI plug and the screen. This is why I love this camera. It has a flip out screen and you can actually rotate it around. So if you are a vlogger or someone who wants to take some selfies with it or something, you can actually see yourself with this flip out lens or screen. So I love this feature. I think that's great and why it's so awesome for YouTubers especially. Now that I've shown you guys the camera body, I'm actually going to take the kit lens and of course the battery and an SD card and put them all in / on the camera. And of course I'm going to give you guys a couple of test shots in just a moment, but just giving you guys a glimpse. It is a regular SD card size and just inputting the battery per normal, nothing crazy going on here. Pretty standard if I do say so myself. And I'm going to, of course, attach the lens next. I'm putting the kit lens on first just because I think this will be a very standard lens and one that a lot of you guys will likely be purchasing because it does come with the camera. And I'm going to give you guys just a glimpse at how wide and kind of bulky / non-bulky this actual lens is. It's just a very standard one, so it's really neither bulky nor thin. So that's what's great about it. And here are some of the on-camera features. It does have a touch screen as well as all of your typical settings that you would see on a Canon DSLR. You've got the little turntable at the top to switch to your different settings, whether or not you are taking photos or filming. What I noticed about this is that it came with filters, which is so interesting, and I haven't tried yet, but definitely interested to see how that will go. So here is my little test shot with the actual kit lens. You guys can see my setup for this whole video as well. And I love how quickly it adjusted to the lighting and the autofocus. And here it is just kind of vlogging. I am obsessed with the quality of it. It looks so good. Moving on to the actual lens unboxing. Like I said, I got the 22mm lens. This is the mirrorless lens that goes with the mirrorless Canon cameras. So it's the M series, and you can use regular lenses with this camera, but you do have to get an actual adapter, which runs about $200 in itself. So of course we have the typical paperwork in here, and then we get to the good thing, which is the actual lens. They do a nice job wrapping them up. And again, I love how tiny this is. It is just absolutely adorable. I think it's so, so cute. This lens is really similar to a lens I already had on my DSLR camera, which was the 24mm, which is why I chose this one. Still gives a pretty good wide angle view, while also still having a blurrier background. So it does a slightly more better job than a kit lens, which is why I chose this one over the others. And now that it's on, here is a little test shot. You can definitely tell the difference with this one. It is more zoomed in, obviously, than the first lens, but you can also notice more of a bokeh background, or that blurry look that a lot of people are going for, especially if you're filming a sort of sit-down style video or even a more cinematography style clip. So this is much more zoomed in than the previous clip, but of course the first kit lens is also, you can zoom in and out. It is not just a standard one size fit. And here is me holding it just for a glimpse. And yeah, this one's pretty thin. I like how kind of compact it looks with it, and I think it's definitely the best choice for me, and I'm obsessed, guys. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so that I know I can do more like this one. And right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to link another video that I think you will love to go watch next, along with my entire fun business related video playlist, and of course, my subscribe button. And if it will let me, I'm actually going to link you guys to my new second channel. It is my entire lifestyle focused channel, so I'm doing fun vlogs and all sorts of interesting related content that is not businessy and Etsy related and online income focused. So if you want to go and check that out, I'm going to also link that one right here. And all of this will be linked down below if you guys want to go and check it out. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys!